you stumble upon this video, this is your sign to start a YouTube channel. Namaste, I'm Rubisha, and today's video is something different from what I usually do, but I really wanted to make this video, so here we are. So if you are new here, please subscribe. That means a lot to me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you want to support us, please be our member and buy our merch. Link is in my description. So let's get straight to the topic. Already seen the topic and you must be wondering why. I'm here to tell you why. So I will start by my own story. I started YouTube 6-7 years back. I had this how-to channel and I used to make random videos, you know, how to do this, how to do that, and I didn't have any subscribers. Literally I had 0 subscribers, and I made so many videos. I mean, how to delete YouTube videos and how to make Facebook, how to make Instagram. So I was so into making videos. I used to love, you know, just going there, and in my free time I used to love making videos and uploading them to YouTube. And to my surprise, these videos would get thousands of views. I don't know how. I literally had 0 subscribers, and one video I did that was how to delete YouTube videos, and it literally had over 200,000 views, and I was surprised by the fact that these videos could even get that much views. I was stunned. And later I was in 3rd year of my dental school. I literally thought of making my own YouTube channel. I thought, why not? I started doing makeup, I started doing how to do your hair, and started making cover songs, but they didn't get views. They literally got 2, 3 or maybe 30 views, sometimes if highest 300 views. But you know, there was always this possibility that even with 0 subscribers you can get tons of views, and I believed in that. I always believed in myself that I could do it, so I never gave up. And I started this channel around 7-8 months ago. I started being really serious about this and started uploading videos, being really serious about YouTube. After that, I literally started seeing the results. I would do research. I would do so many different variety of videos just to see which one works the best. And to my surprise, that I don't have much subscribers even now, but I'm still getting decent amount of views. Remember that not every video that you make will get thousands of views, but yes, some videos will go out there and some videos will really get views. People will really like those videos, so don't give up if you have few views today because you never know. One video you make next day and boom, you get thousands of views, thousands of subscribers. Obviously, if you get views, that means you get instant subscribers. So that's my story, and what I have learned through these years is just to believe in yourself. If you are new to this, you know, YouTube thing, I suggest you do research. I suggest you start making videos right now, right today. Make videos that you really like. It can be anything. Just start out with making, if you are really interested in games, make gaming videos. And what I would say is stick to a niche, because it really helps. You can make videos on any topic that you are interested in. You like to sing, make cover videos. Find the trending song that's going viral right now. Go to TikTok, search what is trending, what is going viral. Do that. Always find out what is trending, okay? Because the thing with trending is whenever something trending, there will be bunch of people that are searching for the same thing. And if you're good with SEO, yes, I will tell about SEO in a while. So if you're good with SEO, your videos are going to get at the top when people search for it, and boom, views and subscribers. Yes, you have to find something that will be viral in future, and you have to find it before anybody knows it. Well, you ask me, how can I do that? I don't know anything. How will I find something that will be viral in future? You can actually. There's this thing called YouTube trending. You must have heard of it. You can literally search for anything. Go to YouTube, just type trending US, or you can search a trending UK, or if you are targeting audience from your country, if you are Indian, if you are Indonesian, if you are making videos for people from Philippines, just find out what is trending in your country. You always have to find out what is trending or something that is going to be viral. You have to find that in its beginning stage, so that you don't have to deal with much competition. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. I hope you are. So what you can do is you can literally go search in YouTube trending, find out what is trending, just see what is trending, and make videos similar. You can just link up your videos if you have a niche, if you are a singer, or if you make cover song. Find out what is trending song and instantly right away just make cover song for it. So if you are a reaction channel, instantly make reaction for that video before anybody else can, so that when they search for the video, your video pops up and boom, you get views and subscribers. Yes, so I hope you are understanding a little bit. Really hope you're understanding, because I really want to help you guys. Share the things that I know, because I really want to teach and help you guys as well, and we can grow all together. About SEO, there's this thing called SEO. You have to be really good at SEO. So I'm going to tell you just a little bit about SEO, because there's tons of thousands of videos already in YouTube. You can put on just 2 to 3 hours of your precious life to learn about SEO, and it will greatly benefit you. So I just want to tell you that please go hop on in SEO videos in YouTube, find out SEO, what SEO is, and just be very good at SEO. It will really make you different than others if you know just a little bit about this things, these terms. And in general, I will tell you what SEO is. SEO is nothing. It's just nothing. It just sounds, oh, it's rocket science. It's no rocket science. What SEO is, if you are searching for let's say red potato, you want red potatoes, and you search for red potatoes in Google, or let's say YouTube. Okay, it will show you a bunch of red potato videos. Right, it will show you a bunch of red potato videos, and what your job as a YouTuber is to rank on the top of the search result. If people are searching for red potatoes, your video should be on the top of red potato. And you see, how can I do that? SEO. That's why I'm telling you to learn SEO, understand about SEO. I'm going to tell you obviously, but still you need to learn and do research on your own and find out more. The more you know about it, the more chance of being successful. Will entirely change your whole YouTube game. So please learn about SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. What that means? So what it generally means is when you search for something, let's say, okay, again, let's say red potatoes, you are searching for red potatoes and you want your videos to be on the top of search engine. How do you do that? In the title, you write red potatoes. Okay, in the title, loud and clear, red potatoes. In your description, write red potatoes, loud and clear. We want all of them to find our videos on the top of search engine. Yeah, write hashtag red potatoes in the description again. You have to take your time with these things, okay? Don't be in a hurry, don't be in rush. Take your time. I think give around 30 minutes at least to research and find about all these hashtags and tags for your video. Right? Hashtag red potatoes, hashtag potatoes that are red, hashtag potatoes, hashtag red. yes, you want to include as many as possible. Also, I would say don't spam if you are utilizing your description 100%. Let's say just put 5 to 10% of the tags of the title, headline in your description, in your hashtags. Put them, okay? Just don't spam too much, because nowadays search engines have become really smart and they spot spam. If you put just multiple red potato, and fill your description with red potatoes, it will not show up. Trust me, it will not show up, because YouTube, Google, it will filter it out as spam and your video will actually end up at the end. So don't do that. I say 5 to 10% would be just healthy amount. I started YouTube, it's not been that long. It's not been 1 year that I seriously started YouTube, and I got monetized around 5-6 months in. So I'm already making some money, not a lot, yeah, but some. And I literally put zero investment on it, except for my time, obviously, and effort. Except for that, I have literally put $0, and I've already made so much more than that. So yeah, it's a very good very good side hustle. And if you're really passionate about it, and if you don't like to give up, because it's gonna take time. It won't happen like you make a video today and boom, 100,000 subscribers the next day. It won't happen, okay? Because you have to be really persistent and consistent. You have to be very patient. You know, people, when they put on effort, 3 months in, oh, I'm not getting views, I'm literally getting 1 to 2 views. Okay, let's give up. It's not gonna work for me. I'm not lucky. Maybe all of them, they were lucky. That's why they got 100,000 subscribers or 1,000,000 subscribers. I'm not lucky. This is not for me. No, it's not just about luck. Yes, luck plays this role. Yes, it does play a vital role, but it's not just about luck, okay? If you put on your hard effort, and if you're ready to sacrifice this much, you will get this much in return. So don't give up. That's what I want to say. Don't give up. If you're not getting views today, you can get views tomorrow or maybe next day, and your life might change. You never know. So if you love this kind of videos, and if you want me to make more of these videos, just tell me in the comment section. And this is also new for me. I really wanted to make this video for so long, but I don't know why I didn't. I really regret why I didn't. But now I'm here, and I really want you to succeed. I really want to help you, and I really want to share everything that I have learned these past years, and I want to help you guys. And yes, that's all for today. So if you stumble upon this video, this is your sign to start a YouTube channel, and I wish you all the very best, and I know you will be a very good YouTuber. You will be a very successful one as well. Just don't give up, okay? And get up and start making videos. What are you waiting for? So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I love you guys so much, and thank you again for staying with me till the end.